Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by gathering the video and a transcript. You don't need perfect text, but you need a base. Open your subtitle editor and load the video file so frames are available. Next, import or paste the transcript into the editor's text panel. This creates lines you'll time. Once done, set project frame rate to match the video and create an initial rough timing pass. This gives you visible cues to refine in the next step. Now you'll refine timing and presentation. Play short segments and drag subtitle edges so each line appears and disappears with natural speech. Aim for readable lengths and pauses. Use styles to set font, size, and safe margins. Change positions for on-screen elements. If you need karaoke or precise placements, export AS. For basic compatibility, choose SRT. Make sure frame rate and encoding options match the video so timing stays accurate when you embed or distribute the file. Finish by either saving a separate SRT/AS sidecar or embedding subtitles into the video using MKV Tool NIX or FFmpeg. Embedding ensures consistent playback across devices. Play the final file fully to catch sync drift, line collisions, or typos. Make small timing shifts where needed. If subtitles run early or late across the whole file, apply a global offset or correct frame rate mismatch. If problems
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.